So you want to create a YouTube banner for a new YouTube channel that you've just created. But the problem is, number one, you don't know how. Or two, you already made one but it looks so bad on mobile. Like this bad or this bad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner from scratch for free that looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. If it's your first time here, my name is Reese and I teach people like you how to make money online and also tech tutorials. And if that's something that interests you, then please subscribe and click on that little bell to be notified of weekly videos. Okay, so let's start designing that banner. Step 1, click on the link below to sign up for Canva for free. And if you're not aware, Canva is a web-based software and app that provides thousands of templates that you can use for your design projects. Once you sign up, your dashboard is going to look something like this. To design your YouTube banner, YouTube requires around 2560 by 1440 pixels. So if you make something smaller than this, YouTube is going to send you a notification that your image size isn't big enough. On your dashboard, click on Create a Design on the top right and click on YouTube Channel Art. You will be brought to a page that looks like this, and to the left, as you can see, there are templates that you may choose to use. But for this tutorial, we will start from scratch. We're not going to use any of these templates. Step 2, Google or search YouTube Banner Art Guide. Click on Images and choose this template. Download it or save it as an image on your computer. Step 3, go back to your design and on the left, click on Upload, click on Device, locate your image and click Open. After you upload, your image should show up here. So, when you load this template onto your design to make your banner mobile friendly, your design should only be within this area in the center. So, let's delete this first and make our background teal because it's my favorite color. Let's add some text and type "make money online." I want to make it stand out a bit, so click on Effects, choose the shadow option, and then choose black. So there will be a little black shadow behind your words. Now we go back to the text, duplicate this, and type tech tutorials. Now these two are too big, so we have to make it a bit smaller to make sure that it will fit the template for mobile. Next, we add an element, search for laptop, and choose this one. Make it a bit smaller and choose orange and yellow. Now, I want to add a subtitle. So let's say something like new videos every week. Or you can say videos every Thursday and Friday. Now let's make it smaller. I want to add a rectangle behind the subtitle so it'll just pop a bit. So just go to Elements and choose this shape. Let's minimize it a bit and change the color to orange. Now go back to the uploads and make sure that your design fits the center for mobile. Let's click here to lessen the transparency to check. So as you can see, it doesn't fit the center yet. So let's delete this again. Now let's click drag and highlight everything here with your mouse. Minimize it. And let's try again. So now it fits perfectly. Save your file name and download it as JPEG. Make sure that it maintains the standard pixel size. Now, let's go back to our channel. And on the header, let's click this camera icon. Click on remove or upload if you don't have a banner yet. And there you have it. Your banner is perfectly centered. Now let's go back to our channel's homepage and check. Everything looks like it's in place. And this should look good on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please leave a comment below if this helped you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.